So here we're simplifying algebraic fractions. We can only simplify fractions if things are multiplied together. And if you look at these two things, we've got a whole lot of things added and subtracted to it. So we need to be able to change it to things that multiply. And how you do that is by factorising, okay? Because when you factorise it, it becomes one thing times another. Right, there's not much we can do to that bottom line there. It's just x plus 2. However, we might be able to factorise the top line, okay? So it's a quadratic, okay, because of the x squared. So there's no common factor because nothing divides into 1, 7, and 10, okay? So now we look at two numbers that multiply to get plus 10 and add together to get plus 7. So it must be two positive numbers. 1 and 10 will not do it, but 2 and 5 will, because 2 plus 5 equals 7. So we put plus 2 and plus 5 into our brackets. Okay, we can also put brackets around the x plus 2, so then it won't, it doesn't change the meaning of it, okay? Can you see that we now have two things on the top line multiplied together? And so we can cancel out now. So we can cancel that x plus 2 with that x plus 2 on the bottom, and we're left with x plus 5. Okay, this one here, we can actually factorise the top line and the bottom line. So we've got two quadratics because of the x squareds. Okay, so let's do the top line first. Two numbers that multiply together to get negative 12 and add together to get plus 1, because that's plus 1x. Okay, so let's look at negative 12. It has to be a positive and a negative. And then the positive has to be bigger than the negative because we've got positive 1 there, okay? So we could try 12 and negative 1. Oops. We could try 6 and negative 2. That doesn't work. And then we can try 4 and negative 3. Okay, so the 4 and the negative 3 is the one that works. So we've got x plus 4 and x minus 3, okay? Now we're going to do the same with the bottom line. We've got two numbers that multiply to get negative 6 and add together to get negative 1. So this time the negative number has to be bigger because we've got negative 1 there. So we can try 1 and negative 6. We could try 2 and negative 3. And you can see that the 2 plus negative 3 equals negative 1. So that's what's going to go in my brackets, x plus 2 and x minus 3. Can you see on the top line we've got x plus 4 times x minus 3. On the bottom we've got x plus 2 times x minus 3. So now they've become two multiplication things, so we can cross them out. And so we're left with x plus 4 and x plus 2. And that's as far as you can take it. You cannot cancel those x's out because they're added to the 4 and added to the 2. So it's only when you're multiplying that they can cancel out. And that's as far as you can go with that.